So this formula you see will calculate for you the horizontal displacement of a projectile under the very special condition where it starts and ends at the same elevation. That's why the word level is there. The elevation is level from where it started and ended. So, I mean, it's just a bunch of algebra was done to derive an equation from formulas we've used earlier this quadmester. I'm not going to show you all those steps. Just trust, I guess, that this equation is correct. So you can find this level horizontal range by doing the initial speed squared. So that's the speed, not necessarily the velocity, times the sine of 2 theta, where theta is the launch angle. So you actually have to double the launch angle before you put it into the sine function for this formula. And then all divided by g, the gravitational field strength, or the acceleration due to gravity, which is 9.8 for Earth. All right, so this first example here is just a direct application of this formula. Anytime you read a question, you want to make sure you know whether or not it's level. You can only use this formula when it's level. Okay, and this one is level. It says it hits the ground at the same elevation from which it was launched, so that means it's level. We can use this formula. Well, I don't know why I'm writing when it's already right there just above. I can probably just go ahead and sub in the values, but I'll make a list of the values first. So the starting speed is 40 meters per second. Now I know the whole velocity, like I know the direction too, but I just need the speed for this formula, and the angle is 30 degrees. Okay, now I'll use a formula that's right above there. So that'll be 40 squared times sine of 60 degrees. So you take this 30. Look in the formula. It says 2 theta. So 2 theta would be 60 degrees. Divided by g, which is 9.8. All right, so we'll put that in the calculator and call it a day. So I'm getting 141. This is going to be the 2 sig figs, so I will do scientific notation. And that's the range, horizontal range. It's a scalar value. The word range is a scalar. If I wanted the displacement, then I would add the direction forward to that.